Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Rosel Joy Cafirma, 29 years old, turning 30 this coming October 30, 2025. Married. I have 3 children, ages 12, 10, and 4 years old. I have 2 sisters, and I'm the eldest of the family. I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My experience here in the Philippines, housemaid. I serve 4 members of the family, 1 couple and 2 children, ages 2 years old and 5 years old. I do the household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and washing, and also taking care of the baby.
What else?
My second employer, 4 members of the family, 1 couple and 2 children, ages 8 years old and 10 years old. I do the household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and also taking care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I'm always securing the safety of the children. If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature, and if the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, kind, and responsible, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad because the salary is higher than Philippines, and I can give better support for my family, and also Hong Kong is the safest country.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my mother-in-law, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. and I usually wake up around 4 a.m. in the morning, sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer, sir. And
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I will extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Cha-Cha wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. Hope you select me as your helper. I'm hardworking, honest, kind, and responsible. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.
Okay.